Hi there. So today we're going to be looking at the Votomy earbuds, the wireless one. Pretty good product actually. I do like it a lot. It works really great. So this is actually how it comes. This box you see here has a lot of what it actually includes. It comes with a bag, a pouch, and then a micro USB cable, the ear caps, the actual earbuds, and the charging box, which is pretty nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. It's a really nice presentation, to be honest. So it comes like this, and here you have so it comes with a gift card. You can probably claim it at the website. That's how it looks in there. So here you have some manuals, like the Kickstart guide, showing you how to get started with the connection, the pairing, and how to charge the earbuds and everything. Then there's one other with more information, a lot of it. But here it is. So this is actually the charging box. So you have this USB-A connection in here, so you can probably plug it to your phone if you need some extra charge. So this thing holds its charge for a really long time. I'll post more details on the actual text review, but this is the port where you connect it to charge the charging case. So it has a button on the front. You press that up and then it opens. And here I do like it has an indicator for the actual case charge. And the whenever you plug the you connect the earbuds, it actually says how much charge it has, and if it's in like kind of a progress bar to indicate that it's charging, right? So it comes with this plastic. Let's take that up. And then let's see how it works. So I'm gonna put it in here, then take one of these earbuds out, do the same thing with this plastic, removing that. And then this one is the left. I'll put it in the left, and there you go. So you see it already starts charging, right? So it says that it has a 95%, but it's still charging in there. So let's do the same with the right one. Do that and plug that in here. So now you have both charging. Pretty nice. I like the presentation, and sound quality is great. I do like it. It's perfect for me, and they work really great. So down here you have this other box. You can take it out, and then you have the pouch with the extra ear caps or tips. Pretty nice pouch material. I like it. By the way, this thing is solid too. It's not, doesn't look like a cheap plastic. It's kind of heavy too. You can see through the cover, the charge and everything. But coming back to the pouch, so you have your cable. You can use it to charge this thing, of course. And then yeah, you have the ear caps down here, and that's pretty much it. I do recommend it. It's really good. The charge, the pairing, and the connection distance is pretty decent to everything, so I do recommend it.